The world has gone crazy. Hard times have come for everyone. The economic crisis has swept all cities and countries. In addition, a terrible virus attacked humanity. Presidents of all countries announce quarantine. All companies close, production stops, and people commit themselves to stay in their homes. But what to do at home? You can watch movies, do cleaning, read books, or discover the online world using the internet. Adam was always inquisitive, and at the time of his free time, he decided to plunge into the online world of information and knowledge, but not in the usual way. Like spending an evening at home after work, Adam saw an advertisement about virtual reality glasses. Having decided to completely immerse himself in the online world, Adam ordered the delivery of virtual reality glasses to his home. During the login, it was necessary to enable OnLix, register in the system, and select the area of interest. After choosing, the system offered Adam an acquaintance with technology and service. OnLix is a virtual reality created by technical means, and the world is transmitted to a person through his sensations, sight, hearing, touch, and others. Immersed in OnLix world, people literally can do to perform an online purchase in stores. Search the information you need, be trained on all courses, are self-development, entertain, meet and get to know people around the city and even in the time of. A new world where you change it yourself as you want. Adol decided to start his journey through the expanses of the World Wide Web and the virtual world with time travel, returning to the time of the emergence of internet technology. More than 3.3 billion people use internet resources daily. The internet began to grow since 1967. They decided to call the first internet network ARPANET, and the US Department of Defense was engaged in its financing. The initial attempt to send a message occurred in October 1969. The word log was sent to a distance of 640 kilometers. Since then, this year is considered the real year of birth of the modern internet, and is the starting point for further discoveries on the internet. In 1990, the internet was first connected to a telephone line, and 3 years later, the first browser was launched. During the 1990s, many existing networks merged into a single internet, and this led to the creation of an independent World Wide Web. By 2010, the internet's web had also penetrated into space, where the crew of the international station served faithfully, and in September 2017, according to UN reports, it became known that as many as 48% of people on planet Earth had internet access. Now the internet is taking on a different form in the form of virtual reality. This is the next technological breakthrough of mankind. The virtual world of OnLix allows Adam to travel around the world without leaving home, study an infinite amount of information, and engage in self-education. A virtual universe, a world limited only by your imagination. People logging into OnLix because they can do anything here. The OnLix universe, as in the real world, has its own rules. For certain achievements, rewards, likes for which you can purchase things of a different nature in this world, starting from clothes, ending with your own island. The more likes, the more opportunities Adam has. Like in the real world, OnLix needs to pay for everything. Only here, instead of money likes, if Adam wants to receive information or sign up for courses, you need to add likes. For breaking the rules, you can lose likes or get dislikes. Adam opened for himself the endless world of new and interesting. Most of all, he was not interested in entertainment, but in receiving answers to questions that in the real world did not give him rest, such as, why are so many people who are still alone in a big city? Why People the Sheep consumes alcohol? What was the first, chicken or egg? How humanity got to the moon? Answers to these and other questions for Adam were worth likes, which he greatly lacked. But it is in our power to help Adam continue to explore the world. Like, share this video with friends, acquaintances, and those who are close. Subscribe to our groups in social networks to study the world and get answers to questions with Adam. Question: what would you like to learn, and why would you like to learn that?